Good morning. Now today I'm going to the beehive shaped domes and rock formations. It has been a really cold night, so I'm packing up my camp and trying to get on the road as soon as possible. And then I will do some hikes, and then in the afternoon I will go back to the main highway and try to make my way back to Ginormous again. I'm running out of supplies, so go to the grocery store there and then start doing the Gib River Road tomorrow or the day after.
Now the highway is there, and this is the visitor center of the park. Yesterday I did this, and I am camping now at this campground, and today I will be going down south and check out some of these places there, including or starting with the domes, which are the beehive shaped rock formations. After the national park I'm gonna go get back to the highway there via this track, and then go north again, get some fuel at Warmun, then go north again all the way to Ginormous, and that'll be my end point today.
Alright, let's go. You took everything with me. Yes. Have a good trip. Those were my neighbors for the night. First up is the beehive shaped rock formations. So after those beehive shaped formations, wherein I have done that walk, I am going back to Ginormous. So that is nice, because there is a good grocery store there again. So I can get some supplies in Ginormous, and then I will be doing the Gib River Road. Look at the view here. Zo, dat ging veel te hard. Jezus Christus. Everything stayed on? Yeah. Everything did stay on. Alright, now let's get some speed in this equation. Go left. So that was deeper than I thought. Oh, and cold. Oh wow, now my feet are bloody cold again. For a minute I thought it was going to be good, going to be too deep. So I was thinking about cutting the bike off to prevent hydraulic shock. But it's about 9:30 maybe now, and the night was very cold, so I'm still a bit cold, and then riding through that ice cold river water doesn't help either, together with the wind. Those are the beehive formed domes that I was talking about. Oh, swimming. fighting with crocodiles. Alright, now the last section, and then I will be at the beehive shaped rock formation. Now I'm gonna do some walking. There's no places with shade, is there? See if I can find a parking spot with some shade. Let's have a look. So I have made it to the very south section of the national park. And this is the section the Bungle Bungles is probably most known about. It is the beehive shaped rock formations. Now there's a couple of trails and tracks that you can hike here to see these rock formations, and I'll go do some of them and I'll show you. I'm going to Cathedral Gorge now. Now walking around in this national park is rather amazing, because if you walk in between these rock formations you can see the birds flying through them, you can hear the wind rolling or screaming through the caves and the gorges, and it's almost magical. So this is what's meant with the beehive shaped domes. As you can see, with a little bit of imagination, these rock formations do look like beehives. Walking into the gorge, it is this huge gorge. I've never seen such a thing before, and as much videos as I'm trying to make of it, it just doesn't do it any justice. If you really want to experience the beauty of the gorge, you should go visit it yourself. Now that was beautiful. That's gorgeous. Everything. Love to see that.
And the view while riding away as well of those formations there. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. Well, anyways, I'm heading back to Ginormous now. So it'll be about another 25 kilometers back to the visitor center of the national park. And then from there it is, I think, 54 kilometers of for high clearance four-wheel drive track, which isn't that rough at all. It's just you can't go as quickly because it's rather rocky and stuff, and I don't want to break anything. And then I will be getting onto the highway, and from the highway it is, I think, 2.5 hours to Ginormous. And yeah, along the way I'll fuel up somewhere and then make it to Ginormous tonight, check into a caravan park, and then probably tomorrow start doing the gib, or the day after tomorrow. But I'll have a look at that. For now, let's continue on and see how I go. Thank you. Gonna overtake him there. Oh, that shouldn't have gone any deeper. Ooh, big boulder. It's a bit rocky there. Oh boy, yo. That was a big rock. Alright, highway, 11 kilometers. Now, the road is treating me good. I'm having fun here. And I've not come close to crashing or anything like that. So, but yeah, there's a lot of water crossings, a lot of dried up water crossings like this, where the road is a bit shit. Anyways, so in a little bit I will make it to the highway. Now, on the highway I will go north, and from there I will find a petrol station after, I think, 100 kilometers, I'm not sure, less than 100 actually, way less than 100. And I'll fuel up there for the last time. I must say, this road was a lot of fun. Alright, there we are, back at the highway. Haha! I'm going to go to. to get some fuel. Alright, now there is a little roadhouse here. Let's put some fuel in the bike and then continue on to Connemara. $2.60 per liter. Only gonna fill it as much as necessary. Good to be back. Hi mate!
I can tell by the sound. Hello, Lou.
How you going?
Fine. Nice to see you.
How was the ride?
Great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
If you liked my video, let me know. Like, share and subscribe.